taping. The siren is just way down over there, so I hope we could like run over there and see if we can see it rotate. I'm gonna sit here with my eyes, like my ears covered here, because the siren might start out loud. My heart is beating fast like always.
Why?
I don't know.
My heart doesn't beat fast. It barely beeps. It beeps at all.
Oh, there we go.
Wait for your breakdown.
I'm gonna run over here and see if I can see the siren rotate. The siren is down there, but I can't see it rotating. Oh, I see it! It's rotating! I can see it, but my camera can't really reach it. I see the siren rotating! I hear the other sirens going off in the distance. Quieting down. I still hear a little bit of the sirens. Weekly test successfully completed. Caught it all on camera.